Hey everyone, it's Magical Mom Laura. Today I wanted to share with you my Disney Mom morning routine. We recently stayed at the Grand Floridian, and this is how we get the day started. We want to be on the Disney app by 7 a.m., so I usually set my alarm for 6:55, roll over, grab my phone from the nightstand. This day we did not get Genie Plus. We had a full day of Bibbidi Bobbidi Boutique and also Cinderella's Table, so our day was filled up, but it was our first time getting the virtual queue for Tron. So I was definitely up early getting on that to make sure we could get on Tron. After I deal with the app, I usually make myself a coffee. I wish Disney had half and half to buy at quick service, but they don't, so I use the whole milk for my coffee. Then I jump in the shower and let my daughter and maybe even husband sleep in while I get ready for the day and just let her wake up whenever she's ready. The night before, usually what I do is I head to the quick service and stock up on waters and snacks, and she'll just have like apples and things in the morning while we get ready and wake up. The night before, I also make sure I clean her water bottles. We use a Yeti in the parks, and I go down every morning on our way out to the parks and fill it up with ice from the ice machine, and usually bring a bottle of the water that I got the night before. There are a lot of things that need to be charged up at Disney, so the night before I make sure everything is on charge, and it also rains a lot at Disney, so I make sure that if it did rain the day before, that the stroller rain cover and raincoats are all laid out outside on the balcony or in the bathroom, and they are dry for the day. I also set outfits out for me and my daughter, and that way she can go and get dressed on her own when men don't take as long to get ready as women do. We have makeup and a lot of things to do.
Morning.
Morning. It's 7:45. I think it's time to wake Landon up. Curl my hair, get dressed. I get very stressed when I walk out at Disney because I need to make sure I have everything. With kids, you need a lot, especially in the summer. So I made this handy checklist. Sunblocks in there. Stroller fan. Did she pick out a plush?
The dragon's still on there.
And you dragon, and then you're gonna go fill the Yeti with ice?
Yep.
Landon's gonna have some apples on the way to Bibbidi. Okay, let me finish getting ready. When my husband is traveling with us, he basically loads up the stroller and the stroller bag and uses my checklist to do that. And that way I can get ready while he does that, and he helps get her ready, and then we are out the door. We had a reservation at 9 a.m. at Bibbidi Bobbidi Boutique, and I forgot my sunglasses. Even with my checklist, you forget things. So it was important for us to be out the door, and the monorail was not working, and it was very hot in July. So we had to have a sweaty walk over on the pathway, which is very nice to be able to walk over to Magic Kingdom. So we are able to walk over there, and we basically rope dropped Magic Kingdom for Bibbidi Bobbidi Boutique and had one of the best days ever. So I hope you guys enjoyed my Disney Mom morning routine, and I will be coming out with one on a solo trip and what that is like. Hope you guys are having a magical day.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.